#1 on the iTunes reggae chart. #1, baby! Bestie, what I
Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is a place where you get the best in local and international news in entertainment. So coming up on the scoop for today is that dancehall recording artist Grace Hamilton, stage name Spice, yes, the queen of the dancehall herself, the queen of the pack, has so far cemented her name in the #1 position on iTunes. Now, this announcement was made by Spice earlier today in a Instagram video that she did on her social media platform. And as you know, Spice has been drawn into so much controversy in relation to a Reader Man coming out just this week and releasing some real key information in regards to what Spice was doing, and he was the one that was responsible for the upliftment of Spice's musical career. But Spice is not daunted by all these accusations that are going on out there on social media. And as you know, Spice is a very talented dancehall recording artist and is one of the top premier figures of our local dancehall music just so far. But with all the controversy that is going on, Spice still remains on top and still remains ahead of the game, continuing to produce some wonderful songs that has garnered the international market, which has garnered her as well that international fan base that she was looking for. Spice is no stranger to controversy because over the years we have seen Spice being drawn into so much different controversy, and it has not daunted her musical career in any form or shape. Now Spice is in a celebration mood based on this new and recent development in her musical career after her most recent single Slide Bob Marley from the #1 position on the musical iTunes chart. Now Spice is just thanking her fans right across the world in this current video that I'm about to share with you, and she's just taking this time just to reflect on what has been going on in her life and in her musical career and the struggles that she faced during this time and the development of her musical career. But all I can say, I just wish Spice all the best in her musical endeavors, and I just hope that with the situation that is going on out there on social media in regards to the whole entire situation between herself and her dancers and her former boyfriend and the alleged Reader Man, that this does all come to an end very soon, because it is not looking good on either party, and we are just hoping that they can come back to some level of normalcy and that the friendship can be mended if possible. However, we're going to take you over to what Spice had to say in regards to her new song hitting that #1 position on iTunes. Let's go over to that now.
My man bring up roses for me. And congratulations, because guess what? Friends is #1 on the iTunes reggae chart, baby. Right there, so. When man say no, God say yes. When man a plot, God a wipe. When you dig hole, make sure you dig two. Right, yes, sir. #1 on iTunes reggae chart. Thank you so much to all of my besties out there. Continue to watch and stream Friends. Friends is #1. Watch God. Yeah. #1 on iTunes reggae charts. Look at God. Look at God. Thank you guys. Thank you, bestie. Continue to watch and stream. Remember, I'm telling you, say, it's not what I know what man say, or what God say. Let me say it again. Because the devil going to want me twist my tongue. I know what man say, or what God say. Friends is #1 on the reggae iTunes charts. Look at God. Look at God. Take the time out. Listen to that song, yeah. Listen the words very keenly. Listen every line in that song. Yeah. That song are one of the most powerful songs me ever write. Me no know how or why or what. But every word, every line in that song resonate close in my heart. The rest love me. Don't watch the bump here. This is Love Bump. Watch Love Bump and Farid. Watch Love Bump right here. So this Love Bump, Ras love me. Ras bring home roses. Ras my balloon. Watch roses. Watch balloon. Watch number one. Me have the number one reggae iTunes song. Friends, right there, so don't watch Love Bump. Big up the whole of my fans, them. All of my bestie out there wanna fight with me. If I fight, you know, unite with me. If me in a mud, you know, unite with me. All when them a drag me, all when them a stab me, all when 40 of them rise up and uno that beside me. How could I do it without uno? I love uno like life itself. When me go down on my knee and pray, me I pray for uno too. Right there, so right there. Look at God. Remember, say the song you tie up in all kind of problem can't release how long now, we know. Remember, how much years now when you see me driving a car and play this song and I say, VP, release song. VP, me I beg you please, let go my blouse. VP, release the song. And God is always right on time. You never know. Right, yes, sir. Everything does free up. Every papers come true. Everybody will produce song. Everybody will play rhythm. Look at God. Song drop and me never start promote song yet. Number one on the reggae iTunes charts. Move Bob Marley. Then we could have big. No, sir. Big up Shaggy. Big up West Stepanisha. Big up everybody. Remember say Shaggy have the Big Bad Christmas album out. We are going with a bag of something. Me never stay on the chart forever. But we just rest side of some big legend. But just rest my body side of some big top legend. Look at God. When we look at the chat, Mr. Bob Marley and Shaggy. Whoa. Use me as a reference and take heed. Nobody see me go through my thing. I want to stay one side and look and laugh. Every who of them take a bush. Everybody have them time. Remember, say me did don't tell you already. Say watch your friends more than you watch your enemy. It's always the closest person to you. We are going to come. Only your friend knows your secret and only him can reveal it. Remember, say your enemy, them not they close to you. So watch your friends more than your enemy. Don't say, you never hear it from me. We go through the worst. Nobody wait until your friend come do you something. Because remember, say, no, me an artist, only for people want to bring me down. Everybody want clout. Everybody want hype. Everybody want this. But all when you're there work. When you're there work and the boss probably like you more, some people in a problem. If you get one look up in your work, one look up position, people are fight you out. People are said this. You tell all your friend one look at something, say, look, I'm going to start one look at business. Them run, go try to mash it up and them fight you out. Remember, says not because me's an artist, everybody go through them look at work, them look at something in them own terms. Me know why me go through my something. Me know why people are going to come and them are going to clout chase and them are going to try to get hype off of me. Them still look at followers, them want look at followers too. Me know say people are going to come and talk all evil man and evil. Let it not stop you, so many more are going to come and many are going to rise up. You never know. But like me tell you, say, I gotta do that something here. Number one song, me up on the reggae iTunes chart. Just so. Me never ask nobody for it. It just comes so to me just so. Me don't want to fuck right through and just enjoy myself. Just go on with myself. Me never don't ask nobody. Me don't trouble nobody. Me don't ask nobody to give me this big song here. Look at God. Look at God. After me on vacation mood and just a walk and you understand? Me just the woman, just number one big song just drops up, boop. Look at God. Right there, so. Yeah. Me the room, I fucking enjoy myself and not kill up myself. Now I trouble about not kill up myself. I live my local family life and I go out myself. Because for a long time I don't get no local body. I don't get no dick long time. I'm frightened for the dick. Yes.
Wait, what?
Because a long time I don't get it. And the rest just I put it for me, I feel happier in our house and just I live like a Gracie and put on my black wig and my long dress and just I go and enjoy myself and say, alright, wait till 2021. And boop, so VP just says, sister, you're right, you're saying at the middle of the mud and water. Look at number one.
Take your
Release the
time.
song.
Christmas around the corner.
Yo,
You
God
must have
no.
put up little ornaments them and be a thing on the road.
Yo.
And everything I enjoy your life. Christmas socks and bag of things.
Yeah. Yo, my place look like Christmas market. Let me show you how I go on right here, so.
A bag of things I go on.
Yeah, how I go on.
Somebody see it, man. Bag of Christmas socks and bag of things put up. It's a big tree. No, sir. Up.
Hold on. I'm gonna climb over the chair. But guess what I go on?
Yo. Kuyard.
Go on. Watch tree.
Watch tree. Watch present.
Watch
No, sir.
Watch man. Watch man socks.
What socks?
What socks? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, mama, you go on. No, sir.
Big up you, my brother.
All right.
Big up
Yeah, man, I love seeing you, man. Look more.
Love. Yeah, man.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah. No, sir. Let me tell you something. Me is a married woman. Soon 12 o'clock, me I go upstairs, go lie down in my bed and get me look of something sort out. Because me not go there for life when I'm right through and my man upstairs lie down mindset that go to work. So, I just want everybody to know, say, yeah, I just love. And we got the people them in the industry, like, me see so much crazy support. Big up everybody with us a support. Nobody feel like, say, I the support alone, me see the shades. Me see the people them who jump in a joy. Me see the shades, me see the true word. It show me a lot of things, people are with me. But my greatest thing is that me get so much support. Me can't even talk about the people them who don't support. So, the Marco just come off of the live. Me love you, my brother. Cartel, me see you post me up and say, yeah, mama. Me love you. Nobody else can come say otherwise, because me walk the earth and show me love and appreciation to you. Richie Feelings, big up yourself. I hope for people to know my deepest things, but you want somebody where me can call in anything and say, Richie, at this, you know. Me not talk about you being a selector, because if me start talk about you as a selector, I have to mention other selector will support me too, and there's so many. From Boom Boom to Hatta Rice, to Roxy, Tony Mataran. So many people in the business will call and reach out and show a love. Me I go explain something to you now. There's people in the business too, when me myself don't talk to, or me and them are no friend, or me and them no close. But you see, when things happen, it make you see the closest. It make you see things happen to reveal things, in other words, long story short. Because the amount of people will call and the amount of people will reach out and the people them will show me so much love. You never expect it from certain people. Certain people are reach out and you say, Jano. Then the girl that did like me, or the person, yeah, big up Lava. Lava, for me, I feel story go way back, you know. People don't understand, but me and your family. Big up Lava. See that somebody say, in times of trouble, you will see who is for you. And that's the sentence I want to finish. That is the sentence I want to finish. In times of trouble, you will see who is for you. Very powerful. Very powerful. But, yeah, man, me da dance, so me tired. Me not so fit again, I have to start going to the gym. Jesus, peace. Yeah, man, in times of trouble, you will see who's for you. Someone wants to say, but real talk, me I make. The amount of people will reach out, me want to say, I love you, know, me appreciate you, know. If people when me know close with, reach up and say, yeah, man, me see it, me see the plot, me see the stuff, me strong up. Yeah, Popcorn. I can't talk about people and call people name, I don't call Popcorn name. Popcorn call out of the blues and say, let me talk to your son, because let me tell you something, the relationship with my son have. He not say me, you know. And I might think him say unruly him thing there. But him have a certain respect. for Popcorn and I unroll him thing there. And when Popcorn can take the time out and the time out I'm there for call and say, Mama, me talk to my son. Because I don't like when no blind, you know, see things for internet. A big boy now, my teenager, I must see things and hear things and people have said this and I tell him this and I said that and, you know, bad to bad. The wicked, they never want, I know Papa, when I war again. Never know him I war, but yeah, big up Popcorn because him take the time out I'm there and I appreciate it. I really, really appreciate it because my son look up to him. And him take the time out to say, yeah, big up Nicholas, reason with him. Them something they hard to come by. So, I just show me appreciation. Yeah, I'm happy. Not no face me, I'm not the first. So, in my happiness, I still have to make uno know, say, I appreciate uno. I appreciate the support. Me not blind, me see it, the overwhelming support when I get, you know. I really appreciate it from the entire music industry. So big up the whole of my friends and my fans and my family. Sometimes me alright and my family them take things to heart. But remember me, they don't tell you already say. God know where I do. Yeah, so big up my fans them right there. So we're happy for you, we love you. Lily, big up yourself. And it won't be the last, but they shall not prosper. Amen in Jesus' name. Riches, big up yourself. MSD, big up yourself. Rain, big up yourself. All right. So as Jesus got through more than you, as it says, a prayer day. Share _forever. Big up yourself. I see my brother coming, so I have to pause the live and talk to my brother. Mario Hamilton, big up yourself. Alpha Brilliant. My little brother, me love you like life itself. And you come like a real prophet. When you go down in your teachings, I don't know where you get it from. But remember, me tell you, say, me love you like life. My sister Fennis, me love you just the same. My sister Denise, me love you just the same. Big up Donovan, same way. He's not where we want him to be, but God is God. So big up my whole family. No worry on yourself. Remember, say, uno know the story. Uno know, say, God is God. This live was just to show my appreciation and my love for every single one of you. This is where I'm going to leave you. I'm going to walk up my stairs. I'm going to take off my clothes. I'm going to go in the shower and have a long, hot shower. I'm going to go into the bed and hug up my nice, clean Rastaman. Right, that song in my science.
Well, there you have it. That was dancehall recording artist Spice giving her fans an update about her latest single that is doing very well out there on the charts, hitting that #1 position and cemented its name on top of the charts right now. And it's a really good look for the local recording artist who has been trying her very best to propel her name and trying her very best to be one of the greatest musical female dancehall artists to date. We have seen her struggles and we have seen her how she has grown and cemented herself as one of the top female dancehall artists of our music. It wasn't an easy road for Spice because Spice struggled really a lot in her early musical endeavors, and we have seen how this work has matriculated into what we're getting today and the Spice that has been created over this period of time. But much respect goes out to Spice, and we just want to know that we're here to support her in her musical endeavors, and much respect and love goes out to her. All right, we're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. Drop it in the comment section how you feel about this video. Peace out and bless. Links below. Sam TV Celebrity School.